Mother's Day afternoon, tea at the George. The little girl is giggling. There's my Uncle Rudy. There's my dad. Of course, this is me. This is my mother too. This is the waitress too. This is the other waitress is coming. That's giving Uncle Rudy some food. Little Kings and Queens menu. Selection of tea, sandwiches, black forest, cheddar cheese, white bread, tartine, strawberry cream cheese, peanut butter, banana, honey, one peanut buttery croissant, delicate pastries, brownies, Rice Krispie treat, cheesecake pop, patty fruits. That's how you drink tea, right? Hello, Uncle Rudy. Tea time.